I feel that I've learned a lot from when I started making my preliminary task to when I completed my final piece. Not only have I learned a lot about the technologies that I use when creating a magazine, I've also learned a lot about the impact of the way in which we represent different social groups within the media and how this impacts on the possible target audiences of different magazines. I've also learned different methods that my magazine can use to attract different ages, genders, race, nationalities, etc. to the different magazines. There are many improvements that I can identify when looking at my college magazine and then my music magazine in regards to the techniques and technologies I've included in both. This includes the better programs that I use to develop the images and the better programs that I used when I was actually constructing my magazine. Other improvements include the varying plugs and taglines that I have used opposed to the plugs I used on my preliminary piece. Overall, I feel that my magazine was completed to a high standard, but however, there are some things I could have improved upon when I was creating my final piece, including the camera quality that I used to take the picture. This impacted as the picture on the front of my magazine was then not up to the highest standard that it could have been.
The difference I can see is substantial. The finished article is so much better due to the new technology used. The use of Photoshop is just brilliant.